Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add blur effect or how you can make blur on the background only. Alright, so import your videos or photo you like to edit, and I'm going to select the photo to try, just import and drag to the track. You can go to effect and select the lens and select blur effect. Can adjust for the duration is sampling with the effect duration, and after done you are just going to select the clips and right click, select compound clips. Alright, go to media and add the same photo to the track. Just put as an overlay, put on top another clip. Alright, just for the duration is sampling, go to cutout and select the chroma key or auto cutouts or remove the background. So I'm going to select the auto cutout. Here we go. So this is the final effect you have on your clip. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please type in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.